When cops are in a foot pursuit, their souls flash red and blue to alert the public to get the fuck out of the way. Create an online game where players are required to perform various surgical procedures. The hidden fact is that the top 10% are actually performing real surgeries via a robotic remote experience. An app where whenever you come into proximity with another user of the app, it plays a scene-filled theme and you both just pretend you're in a sitcom. A movie where Tom Cruise, Terry Crews, and Penelope Cruz stop Ted Cruz from attacking a cruise ship with cruise missiles. Real-life community challenges. Example. Plant 500 million trees by next Sunday, and everyone pays 2% less in taxes. Write a book called How to Fix a Wonky Table. All the pages are blank, except for the first one that says, put this under one of the legs. It will have perforated pages that can be ripped out to fit any table. Attach turbines to every piece of gym equipment in the world. Generate power off the huge amounts of energy gym goers use to lift weights. Replace coal power with swole power. Make 10 movies from the same script, but use 10 different directors, cast and crew. Release them all on the same day. Crossbreed pigs with snakes. When it sheds its skin you get renewable bacon. Rob a bank and have an accomplice already inside wearing a Hollywood blood pack. Run into the bank, fake shooter, and then everyone will comply without hesitation. A secondary, higher pitched car horn that means, sorry, my bad. Save those Amazon shipping boxes till Christmas shopping season. Fill them with household filth and dog poo and leave them outdoors for the thieves. Netflix should have a least popular category, so that people can either A. watch movies nobody's seen, or B. watch movies that they kinda feel sorry for. Click the link below to submit and see more crazy ideas.